All right, what's going on, traders? So now Ftmo is back for the US clients, and in this video I'm going to give you the secret sauce on how you guys will also be able to achieve 6 figures in prop firm payouts. And I'll share with you how other members in our community have also been able to achieve consistent 5-figure payouts each month. So right now I am on the ftmo.uanda.com website. Ftmo is the leading prop firm in the industry with over 10 years of experience. You can check right here and it says United States. Since last month, Ftmo has started accepting US clients. And the best thing is that they have Platform 5, which is MetaTrader 5. So many members from the US in our community have also been able to achieve multiple payouts from Ftmo just this past week. So here is our trading discussion group for our VIP members. And I'm going to show you guys some of the profits that some of the members made. And they were both from the US. Right now, you can see this client made $12,000 on his Ftmo account. And then we also had another payout from Ftmo for $18,000. So I just want to share with you guys how you guys will also be able to achieve profits like this through the use of our prop firm automation service. So right now, if I go to our leaderboard on our community, we have Alexander with Ftmo due for another 21.6% payout. And you can see all of the different prop firms that some of our members are using. If you guys are in the US or not in the US, you guys can use any other prop firm for our prop firm automation service. You guys can go to propfirmmatch.com and check out all of the top prop firms. We have Funding Pips, Maven, E8 Markets, Ftmo, 5%ers, Alpha Capital. So quite a few prop firms that you guys can choose from. Most of the members in our community right now, we have Ftmo, Funded Next, EA Funding, Alpha Capital, 5%ers, and Maven, and Funding Pips. And a lot of our members are funded over $1 million across multiple prop firms. The first half of the clients that we actually accepted in the first half of the year, you guys can go to our YouTube channel and check out this video right here, how I made 30K with prop firm trading. The clients who signed up in January have achieved over $250,000 in payouts in about 6 months. And I believe that we will break the record of $250,000 with the second half of the clients who have joined. So right now, if I go into my social trader tool and show you guys our prop firm automation 200K accounts, we have achieved 65% growth rate in less than 3 months. Got everyone funded and started their funded accounts on the 30th of July, 2025. Right now, we are on the 14th of October, 2025, and I'm gonna show you guys the account. So here is the prop firm automation account, and you can see right now the balance is exactly the same, $341,056.79. This week, we also had another phenomenal trading week. If I go to the history, you can see that this is the balance right now. It is exactly the same account, and I can even pull up my MT5 right now and show you guys. You can see on the bottom right-hand corner, 158,000, and then with the balance of 200,000, it is exactly the same. All of the trades are exactly the same. The last trade was $700 and then $2,620. If I just go into a custom period right now and show you guys the trades from last week, just from the last week, from the 6th until the 14th, right now, the 14th, if I go to that, we achieved $19,000 in profit. Same thing right here. If I go into my phone and go into a custom period from the 6th until the 14th, you're going to be able to see that the profits are exactly the same, $19,000 in profit. Show you guys what we did last month. So last month, we did $67,000 in profit. And then the last 3 months, so far, we have done $158,000, just like on my MetaTrader 5 right there, $158,000. So I'll go through some of the trades that we actually took from the past week, from the 6th until now. Went on a win streak, 1,580, 1,496, 2,000. We had a huge win of 5,000. And then this was the biggest loss this week, which is about 1.5%. So we are only risking 1.5% a day on any given day. That is our strict stop loss. This was slightly a little bit higher because of the slippage. You can see just how great our risk management has been this week as well. So 1,280, 3,580. We are trading only 3 pairs, which is pound dollar, euro dollar, and gold. So here we had a gold 1,320. We had a small loss and then small win, and then another small loss 650, and then we had a win of 2,000. And we just went on a very nice win streak. And today, which is the 14th, you can see that we lost 2 trades, 1,540 minus 1,000. So if you add 1,000 to 1,540, we lost exactly 1.5% as well today. But we also had some other wins today as well. So we had $2,620, $700. So we only risked about 1.5%, bringing our total profits again to 158,000. Now, if you guys do join, you guys will have all access to our trading community with hundreds of other members who are benefiting from our prop firm automation. And once you guys do join, you guys will also have access to your own dashboard. So right now with this client, you can see all of his different payouts from Ftmo, Effexify, E8 Markets. And this client is actually funded across 3 different prop firms. And you guys will be able to see your total loss, your daily drawdown, and then also your profits as well. And then once you guys are ready for a payout from your prop firm, then all you guys need to do is push this button, request payout. We have optimized the whole user experience. So you would just press this request payout and we will stop trading your account until the prop firm actually sends you your profit split. So if you guys are in the US, this is your time to capitalize on this opportunity. No issues with payouts from any of our members. This is a service that we actually pass your challenge for you, get you funded, and continue to trade the accounts for you. The best thing about our prop firm automation service is all of the EAs are included. They are all free. So whether it's the US 30 trading bot, the FX Goliath trading bot, our gold trading bot, and our pound dollar trading bot, all of the EAs are free in our prop firm automation service. Our EAs have also been killing the markets, making consistent 6-figure profits as well. And you guys can check out all of the other videos for our EAs, our gold trading bot, which has been on a phenomenal run. We're close to hitting 200% in profits with our gold trading bot as well. If you guys would like to join and learn more about our prop firm automation service, then make sure you guys follow. Drop us a like, hit this link right here, reach out to one of our members so that you guys can also get funded across Ftmo and other prop firms and make consistent 5-figure payouts.